Hosted a healthcare forum at his home in Pocatello last night. KPVI News that works for you reporter Deanne Coffin has more.
Dr. Fahim Rahim hosted a healthcare forum at his home in Pocatello to discuss healthcare issues in Idaho. The forum included healthcare professionals, legislators, candidates for governor, city, state, and county leaders. Dr. Rahim says it's a chance for everyone to meet like a family and try to understand healthcare better. He says he's practiced medicine for 20 years, and for the first time, he is able to look at healthcare from a different side.
I became a patient myself. I had cancer, went through surgery. It really opened my eyes that what gaps of understanding we have between doctors, patients, community leaders, healthcare providers.
One local woman brought her daughter that has a terminal illness. She says she came to the forum to learn more and voice her concerns about the current health care.
We've lost our homes, and I mean, we're renting a home now because of it. And you know, even my husband works at the Union Pacific Railroad, and even with good benefits and a good paying job, it's cost effective is not there. It's eating us alive.
This physician and candidate running for governor says everyone he meets around the state says their health care is not working for them.
There's solutions that give us reform at the Medicaid level, which is going to be coming our way, that we can control health care for our own people, and there's going to be reform with more transparency at the health care delivery level, and then we need more reform at the insurance level.
A second-time candidate for governor says the forum helped him better understand the health care issues the state is facing.
Because most of us in this race are not in the medical industry directly. And so not only do we get to share some of the things that are on our minds, but we get to hear from experts in the industry, and I always learn from that.
Local physicians were able to chime in on healthcare dialogue. The chairman of the cardiovascular committee at Eastern Idaho Regional Medical Center says Idaho's biggest healthcare issue is the lack of primary care physicians.
It creates issues and problems that overload our emergency rooms and our urgent care clinics, where unfortunately it's very easy for people to get brushed off, get a narcotic prescription, and then it just leads into more problems.
Now, Dr. Rahim says that his message is to get people's voices heard at the local level and then work their way up.